I, Khushbu Goswami, a responsible member of Naughty Brand. I participate in Buildathon 2025-26. Our group members are Mehak, Yashita, Mahi and Muskan. We all are prepared a revolving pill dispenser for those people who are forgetting to take their medicine on time. It's a rotating pill dispenser that starts by explaining the growing need for medication management solution to enhance adherence and safety, especially for patients with complex or multiple prescriptions. Highlight how pill dispenser help by automating the organization and timely dispensing of medication, reducing human error and forgetfulness. A rotating pill dispenser is a device designed to help an individual manage their medication schedule accurately and conveniently. The primary function of this device is to store multiple doses of pills in separate compartments arranged in a circular manner. These compartments are part of rotating mechanism that aligns a specific section with an outlet, allowing the user to access the scheduled dose at the correct time. The rotation can be manual or automated with alarm, buzzer, electronic controls to remind user to take their medication, reducing the risk of missed or incorrect doses. The mechanism of a rotating pill dispenser typically involves disc-shaped container divided into segments each holding pills. In it, the dispenser cover or the rotating plates rotate step by step aligning the compartment containing the current dose with the dispensing opening. This rotation is engineered to occur at predetermined intervals that correspond to the medication scheduled daily. A rotating pill dispenser is particularly helpful to elderly people by significantly improving their medication management in several ways. As older adults often have multiple prescriptions and complex dosing schedules, remembering to take the right pills at the right time can be challenging, especially for those dealing with memory issues or cognitive decline. These devices often contain features such as alert for missed doses and locked compartment to prevent tampering or accidentally overuse. With enhanced safety, caregiver and family members can trust that their loved ones are taking medication properly, relieving stress and reducing the need for constant supervision. Overall, the rotating pill dispenser is practical, use, user-friendly solution that support elderly individuals in maintaining their medication schedule accurately and safely, therefore thereby improving their quality of life and health. So this is our project about the revolving pill dispenser. We hope that you will like our project. Thank you.